Hi everyone. Before we dive into the intriguing world of data science, let's take a moment to consider the vast, data-driven world we live in. Thank you for joining, and let's talk about data science and the world of data. This video will open your horizon to how data impacts our lives. Stay till the end as you will see why. So about data, every click, every search, every purchase, every interaction, we generate a scary amount of data. This data, when collected and analyzed, forms the basis of the decisions that shape our world. From the advertisements you see on your social media feeds, to the recommendations you get on your favorite streaming platform, to even the medical treatments prescribed by doctors, data is at the heart of it all. And who do we have to thank for this? The data scientists, the unsung heroes who tirelessly work behind the scenes, analyzing, interpreting, and presenting this data in a way that's meaningful and actionable. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of this fascinating field. But before that, sit back, relax, and let's set the stage for our journey into the intriguing world of data science. How often do you think about the sheer amount of data that humanity produces every day? And what if we told you that much of the world as we know it today is driven by this data? Thank you for visiting our channel. There has been a lot of searches around data science, and hence we decided to make a video on this very cool topic. So without any further ado, welcome to the intriguing world of data science, a field that has become a cornerstone of the modern world. This discipline, often shrouded in mystery, is about making sense of complex data and turning it into actionable insights. It's a blend of different fields, including statistics, computer science, and business strategy. Now let's take a moment to appreciate the unsung heroes of this realm. The data scientists. These are the individuals who weave stories from raw, unstructured data. They are the detectives of the digital world, uncovering patterns and predicting trends that guide everything from business decisions to technological advancements. Data science, in essence, is the backbone of many industries and sectors today, driving decision-making and strategic planning. It's a fascinating field that's shaping our future one bite at a time. Before we delve into the evolution of data science, let's take a step back and look at the essential tools that make data science possible. The toolbox of a data scientist is vast and varied, filled with programming languages, software, and methodologies. The most common programming languages used in data science are Python and R. Python is praised for its simplicity and versatility, while R is preferred for statistical analysis. SQL, or Structured Query Language, is another key player, used for managing and manipulating databases. Then we have software tools like Jupyter Notebooks, which allow for interactive coding and data visualization, and platforms like Apache Hadoop and Spark, used for processing and analyzing big data. Moreover, data scientists rely on machine learning algorithms and statistical models to extract patterns and insights from data. These tools, combined with the ingenuity and creativity of data scientists, are the gears that keep the data science machine running smoothly. Now, with these tools in mind, let's journey into the evolution of data science. Data science is not a new concept. It has been around for a while, albeit under different names. Its roots go back to the mid-20th century, when statisticians began developing techniques to make sense of large data sets. As computers became more accessible and powerful in the late 20th century, the field began to evolve. We started seeing the emergence of databases and programming languages designed specifically for data analysis. In the early 21st century, the term data science was coined, encapsulating this ever-evolving discipline. Around the same time, we saw the rise of big data, a term used to describe the exponential growth and availability of data. This was a game changer. It led to the development of new technologies and methodologies to store, process, and analyze these vast amounts of data. Today, with the advent of big data, the field of data science has taken on a whole new dimension. Before we delve deeper into the cornerstones of data science, let's take a moment to understand the challenges and triumphs that come along with it. Data science, as fascinating as it is not without its hurdles. The sheer volume of data can be overwhelming, and cleaning or wrangling this data can often be a time-consuming and complex process. Also, the requirement of a solid foundation in statistics and programming languages can pose a steep learning curve for many. Despite these challenges, the triumphs of data science are truly remarkable. Imagine being able to predict customer behavior, detect fraudulent transactions, or even forecast the spread of a disease, all through the power of data. These are not mere possibilities, but realities that data scientists are achieving every day. The ability to extract meaningful insights from raw, unstructured data is indeed a triumph of human ingenuity. And the best part? The field is constantly evolving, offering endless opportunities for learning and growth. In the next scene, we will delve deeper into the cornerstones of data science, the tools and techniques that make these triumphs possible. So buckle up and get ready to dive into a world of numbers, patterns, and insights. So what does it take to decipher this vast ocean of information we call data? Let's dive in and explore the cornerstones of data science. At the heart of data science is statistics and mathematics. Statistics is the compass that navigates us through the waves of data, allowing us to make sense of it all. It's about probability, inference, and hypothesis testing, helping us to predict and make decisions based on data. Mathematics is the sturdy ship that carries us through the sea of data, providing the structure and framework for our journey. But a ship is of no use without a skilled captain. In data science, our captain is the programming languages we use. Python, R, and SQL are the main languages that data scientists use to command their ship. Python is versatile and powerful, making it ideal for a variety of tasks, from data cleaning to machine learning. R is a specialist, designed specifically for statistical computing and graphics. SQL, on the other hand, is the go-to language for dealing with databases, allowing us to retrieve and manipulate data efficiently. Now, imagine our data as the sea. It's vast, it's deep, and it's not always clean. That's where data wrangling comes in. Data wrangling is like our cleanup crew, taking care of the dirty work, so we can focus on the voyage ahead. It involves cleaning and pre-processing data, dealing with missing values, outliers, and inconsistent data types, making the data ready for analysis. These are the cornerstones of data science: statistics and mathematics, programming languages, and data wrangling. Each plays a crucial role in the journey of data science, from understanding the data, to cleaning and manipulating it, to drawing insights from it. And it's not a journey for the faint of heart. It requires a keen eye for detail, a strong foundation in mathematics and statistics, and the ability to wield powerful programming languages. With these tools and techniques, a data scientist can transform raw data into meaningful insights. Data science is not just about crunching numbers, it's about telling a story. As we have learned, data science involves a lot of data wrangling and programming. But how do we make sense of all these numbers and figures? How do we tell a story that everyone can understand? Welcome to the world of data visualization, a key aspect of data science that often doesn't get enough spotlight. Data visualization is the art and science of representing data in a graphical or pictorial format. It allows us to see patterns, trends, and insights in data that might be hidden in rows upon rows of numbers. Think of it as the lens through which we view the raw data, bringing it into focus and making it understandable. It's like translating a foreign language into a language we all understand, the language of visuals. Tools like Tableau, Power BI, and Matplotlib are like paintbrushes, allowing us to paint a vivid picture of the data. But it's not just about making pretty graphs and charts. Effective data visualization requires a good understanding of the data and a clear idea of what story you want to tell. It's about choosing the right type of graph, the right colors, and the right layout to convey your message. It's about highlighting the important parts and making sure your audience can understand what the data is saying. So whether it's a simple bar graph, a complex scatter plot, or an interactive dashboard, data visualization is a powerful tool in the hands of a data scientist. It brings data to life, making it easier for everyone to understand and appreciate the beauty and complexity of data. Through the art and science of data visualization, a data scientist can transform raw numbers into a compelling story. The power of data science lies in its ability to bring clarity to chaos, to find patterns amidst randomness. Imagine a canvas of raw data, seemingly meaningless, scattered across a landscape of variables. This is where data scientists step in, using data analysis to make sense of this landscape. They delve into the heart of data, examining it from every angle, using tools like Python, R, and SQL. They use techniques such as exploratory data analysis to understand data through descriptive statistics and visualization. Think of data visualization as a map, guiding you through the terrain of complex data. Tools like Tableau, Power BI, and Matplotlib serve as our compass, transforming numbers and figures into understandable, actionable insights. They paint a picture that speaks louder than rows of numbers could ever hope to. But the story doesn't end there. The realm of machine learning takes data science a step further. With machine learning, we're not just understanding data, we're teaching computers to understand it too. From supervised to unsupervised and reinforcement learning, these algorithms like linear regression, decision trees, clustering, and neural networks allow machines to learn from data, make predictions, and even make decisions based on data. Data science also strides confidently into the domain of big data, where the volume, velocity, and variety of data are beyond traditional methods' capabilities. Technologies like Hadoop and Spark, along with cloud-based solutions, come into play here. They help in managing and processing big data, enabling data scientists to uncover hidden patterns and correlations. But why go through all this trouble? Why bother understanding and visualizing data, teaching machines to learn from it, or tackling the beast that is big data? Well, because data science is not just about data, it's about insights. It's about understanding the world around us, making sense of it, predicting trends, and making critical business decisions. So, whether it's predicting the stock market, making healthcare more effective, or just recommending your next favorite movie, data science is there, quietly shaping the world we live in, one bite at a time. From predicting trends to making critical business decisions, data science has an integral role in shaping our world. Have you ever wondered how data science integrates into our daily lives? Every time you use a search engine, every time a social media app suggests a friend, every time an online store recommends a product, you are experiencing the influence of data science. It's in the algorithms that learn your preferences and suggest what you might like next on your favorite streaming platform. It's in the traffic apps that predict congestion and suggest alternate routes. It's in the weather apps that provide accurate forecasts. It's even in the health sector, where data science aids in predicting disease outbreaks or optimizing patient care. Data science is everywhere, silently weaving its magic into the fabric of our lives. It's turning our world into a smarter, more efficient, and more connected place. It's helping us make sense of the seemingly incomprehensible amount of data generated every day. And most importantly, it's helping us make more informed decisions, be it in business, healthcare, education, or even our personal lives. So next time you get a movie recommendation or a targeted ad, remember, it's all thanks to the power of data science. Data science is not just about understanding data, it's about using that understanding to improve our lives, making our world a more connected and informed place. But what does the future hold for data science? And how does it affect us? Well, every day, data science is used in ways that directly impact our lives. It helps retailers predict what products we might want to buy, and it enables healthcare professionals to make accurate diagnoses. It even plays a role in how our favorite films and TV shows are made. Looking ahead, we can expect data science to continue to evolve and shape our world. Predictive analytics, artificial intelligence, and the Internet of Things are just a few areas where data science is making waves. These advancements are not without challenges, though. Data privacy, ethical use of information, and ensuring reliable data are all hurdles to be overcome. As for becoming a data scientist, it requires a mix of technical skills, curiosity, and creativity. With a strong demand for these professionals, the future looks bright for those who choose this path. Data science is more than just a buzzword. It's a field that's revolutionizing the way we live and work, and its importance will only grow in the years to come.